Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really quick, well, hopefully a really quick Halloween haul for you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. The first thing I got was this blanket. It's what you're looking at. It's like really soft and just, I just love like rubbing my hands over it. But it has like all these designs. It's kind of like a gypsy vibe to me. Like it's a really long hand. Like whose hand is that long? But it has like the moon and stars. So I thought this was really cute to go on my bed for the Halloween time. It's just a throw blanket. So I got this at Ross and they did have different patterns and colors. All right, next, kind of going along with like the gypsy vibe and purple and stars and stuff. I guess this doesn't really have to do anything to do with stars, but I got this crystal ball from Michael's. This is the only Halloween decoration that I got from Michael's. I'm actually going to go back and look at the other things because I did purchase this a while ago and they were just now putting out their Halloween stuff when I went. So I want to go back. Hopefully they still have stuff. I feel like everyone's already been out buying Halloween stuff, so hopefully there's still stuff left. So I thought this was really cute. You know what else too is that I think none of it was on sale yet, and I was like, I want to wait till there's a sale. And I did get this using a coupon, so I don't think I paid too much for it, but I wanted to wait until they had their Halloween stuff on sale to get it. So I got that. All right, next I went to Marshall's and I found these really cute mugs. This one says "Hey Boo" and has a little ghost. It's green on the inside. I thought this was really cute. And this has a popular quote now. It says, "Hocus pocus, I need coffee to focus." So I thought this would be cute to use at work. Luckily, I think I had gotten to Marshall's right when they were putting out their Halloween stuff, because this was the only mug of these that I found. I know these are like really popular, so, well, not these, but mugs with this quote on it is popular. So I was kind of happy that I found that. Ooh, 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 don't want to break it. Ooh. Don't want to break it as I clink it together. All right, next is Dollar Tree. When I went, they were just now putting out their Halloween stuff. I've been having bad luck finding stores putting out their Halloween stuff, so they didn't have much out. I only picked up these LED lights, and I got purple. I think I got purple and orange. Yeah, purple and orange. So I like decorating my desk at work and my desk here for filming. So I have to figure out which ones I'm going to use here and which ones I'm going to use at work. I still have to pull out my decorations from last year, so I think maybe I'll use my decorations from last year at work, and then maybe put the new stuff here on my desk at home. So yeah, these were the only two things. Oh, that's a lie, I did get one more thing. Okay, I forgot I got this little box. I really liked the foiling on it. I thought this was such a, sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. I thought this was such a cute box. They had a bigger one that looked just like this, but it didn't have the foiling on it. So I just decided to get the little one. And originally I was like, oh, maybe I can put little candy in here, but I don't think this is going to be big enough to put candy in it. So I don't know. I think I'll just use it as decoration. All right. So the first things that I picked up from Target, these are from the Target dollar spot, were these little jars. This one says Witch's Brew and this one says Magic Spells. And it has a light. Hopefully it works. Oh, okay. So it turns there. So cute. And this one it also has a light too. And these were $3. Oh my God, I'm gonna break them. So yeah, I'm kind of torn because I want to use these. I want to have these on my desk at work to be festive, but then I also kind of want to have them here at my desk at home. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I guess technically I spend more time at work, so it would probably be better for me to have them at work. But they're just so cute. All right, and next from the Target dollar spot, I got some string lights. These ones have little ghosts on them, and then this one has like little potion jars, which I thought were cute. I'll probably show you guys on my Instagram how I decorated my desk at work. So make sure you're following me on there so that you don't miss that post. I'll probably post it on my Instagram stories. All right, next, also from the Target Dollar Spot, $3, I got this spiderweb basket. I thought it was so cute. I feel like I say so cute for everything, but I really like this basket. And I've been trying to keep like candy on my desk just so whenever somebody's having a bad day, they could just have like a piece of chocolate, lift up their mood, their spirit. And then obviously for Halloween, we for sure have to have candy there. So I picked this up for that. I was kind of debating between this or like one of those ceramic, you know how some places have like the ceramic jars that's like a pumpkin, or I think actually they had one. It was like a jar, it was a pumpkin, and then they had like a witch, and then I don't remember what the other ones were, but you could put the candies in there. The only thing about it is that I feel like it wasn't really going with the vibe that I was going with. It was kind of too cartoony, I guess. So I ended up just getting this one. I liked this one the best. So yeah, I don't know why I just gave you, I'm sorry if you can hear that motorcycle, but I don't know why I just gave you guys this really long-winded explanation as to why I got this. I just really liked it, okay? All right, this is not from the Target Dollar Spot, but it is from Target. It's just this, I feel like it's glass, right? A glass skull, and it kind of goes with the crystal ball. I didn't even realize that. So I like the, like, color scheme. That's the color scheme that I was going for. So this was actually in the regular Halloween section. I feel like I was kind of disappointed because I went to Target and they were still putting out all their Halloween stuff. Whereas I feel like people that have been hauling stuff, they're like, oh my god, all the Halloween stuff is out, and I keep missing it. So I have to keep going back, I guess, to actually, no, I do not need to keep going back because RIP to my bank account. But yeah, I just picked up this one, and they did have different colors. So if you don't like the purple one, they have like black and I think gold, and I don't remember what the other one was, but yeah, this was in the Halloween section. All right, this next one is the main reason I went to Target, and it was the only one I saw. So I may go back to Target, to a different Target, to see if they have different ones because I saw other people hauling them. But it's this LED light, and this one is a witch's hat. I don't remember what the other designs were. I just remember I saw this girl hauling these neon lights, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. So I'm kind of happy that I found the witch's hat. I think it goes with the vibe. I guess there's not really a vibe, but you know, I think it's purple. Oh yeah, it's purple and orange. So it goes with the color scheme. So I was really happy about this. And this was, oh, this was $5. I was going to say $3. But I'm hoping it works. I need to put batteries in it. So pray for me, y'all. This was the only one there. I'm like, if it's the only one there, does that mean it's like the busted one? So hopefully, say a prayer for me that it works. All right, and the last two things that I got from Target were these boxes, and they say, "You've been booed." I found this in the Halloween section in the back, and I got these because I like giving my coworkers like little treat bags for every holiday, like Valentine's Day, Halloween, obviously Christmas, stuff like that. So I thought these were super cute to put in like candy, and then, you know, those other, I don't know what else I'm going to put it in, but candy or like just little knickknacks. I thought that would be cute. So I like doing that for them. So I bought two of them because I only have 4 coworkers, and yeah, we'll see how this works out. All right, this is not Halloween related, but it's the only other 2 things that I got from Target. So I just figured I would show you guys, and I feel like it does kind of go with Halloween vibes because it's villains, you know. So this is a 2,000 piece puzzle. I thought the artwork looked really cool. So me and my sister were talking about doing this together. I like doing puzzles. I really do. It's just finding the time to do it is what's hard. But I was super excited when I saw this, and it was the only one. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it. But yeah, I thought that was really pretty. And then also a non-Halloween related, I found these mild liner brush pens on clearance for $9.95, originally $20. I knew these were expensive because they just came out like last month or something, or I don't know, recently. And I know these are used. I could tell by, you can see how like someone opened them. So I guess they didn't like them and they returned it. I decided to get them anyway, just take a chance because it's probably the cheapest I'm going to find them right now. So I'll try these out and let y'all know what I think. I mean, I don't know how to brush letter really well, so I don't know how much my opinion will really matter on these. But yeah, I thought it was worth trying out. All right, and then the last two Halloween related things that I got were these candles from Bath and Body Works. They had a sale going on a couple weeks ago that the candles were, I don't know, like $12 off or something like that. I don't remember. But well, actually I wasn't even planning on getting it. The only reason I went to Bath and Body Works was because I had a gift card. And I was like, oh, I need to use this gift card. And I went in and I was like, oh, they have a candle sale. And then I completely forgot to use the gift card. So I don't know what's wrong with me. I just have to, that just means I have to go back in Bath and Body Works and buy more stuff. But I got this one. It says Vampire Blood. And it smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like fruity. It's definitely fruity. I can't think of the candle, like the normal candle that this smells like. But I really liked the caps, the way the caps are. So I figured I could take one of these to work and keep one here. And then this was the other one I think you guys saw. Ghoul Friend, you know, because girlfriend, you know? No? Okay. And this one smells like, oh, this one smells really good. This one smells more perfumey than fruity. Oh, right here. Dark strawberry. Oh, well, dark strawberries. And I said fruity, but it does have peonies and citrus. Okay, I guess that's it. What does this one say? Strawberry, jasmine. Oh, okay, so I guess they both have fruit and florally scent. Florally scent? Whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, grab these. Alright, you guys, that is it for this haul. I did pick up other items from these stores. I just decided to put these ones together since they're all Halloween related. So if you guys want to check out your stores for Halloween stuff, you know, maybe you guys can find some of this stuff at your local stores. Let me know if there's a store that I need to go to find Halloween stuff. I kind of want to go to At Home. I saw this one girl go there and I was like, they have some decent stuff there, so I think I might try going there. I don't know, and I'm definitely gonna go back to Michael's to see their other stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. I would really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.